Now request Dr. Keshav Murthy Adya, Associate Professor, Department of Dermatology, to introduce Shri C.M. Ramesh.
It's a great pleasure to introduce to you our Honorable Member of Rajya Sabha, Mr. C.M. Ramesh. Mr. C.M. Ramesh is an Indian politician and entrepreneur and a Member of Parliament in the upper house of Indian Parliament, the Rajya Sabha. He is a member of Bharatiya Janata Party. He represents the state of Andhra. Hailing from a value-based business and agriculture family in Kadapa district of Andhra Pradesh, he is a cutting-edge entrepreneur. As his first major business diversification effort, Mr. Ramesh established the Ritvik Projects Private Limited in 1999 at Hyderabad. Within the next couple of years, he shaped the economy into an outstanding company into an outstanding infrastructure development leader with specific thrust on the mega construction and mining projects. His entrepreneurial success within a short span of time is extremely commendable. Mr. Ramesh has a decade and a half of experience in developing mega projects. Operating efficiently with a widespread network of corporate and project offices across the country, Mr. Ramesh presents the picture of a cutting-edge entrepreneur endowed with exemplary vision, leadership, resource mobilization, and management skills. Under his dynamic leadership, Measures Ritvik Projects received the Bharatiya Shiromani Puraskar for Excellence in Enhancing the Image of India in 2006 and the Award for Excellence in Productivity, Quality, Innovation, and Management in 2007, both conferred by the Institute of Economic Studies, New Delhi. Politically suave, Mr. Ramesh has been in active politics ever since he got associated with Honorable Mr. N. Chandrababu Naidu, the 3 times Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. In 1985, he started his political journey with the Telugu Desam Party and was formally admitted into the party in 1985 at the young age of 26 years. He has served the party in various capacities, including the Chittoor district spokesperson and election monitoring committee member for both assembly and parliamentary elections, and entrusted him with the responsibility of networking with the leaders. Within a short span, in 2009, he rose to the position of vice president of the Telugu Desam Party. Recognizing his political astuteness and commitment, the party leadership rewarded him by nominating him to the Rajya Sabha as a member of parliament in April 2012. In the parliament, recognizing his caliber and background, he was nominated as a member of Standing Committee on Coal and Steel from May to August 2012. He was a member of several important committees appointed by the parliament, such as Standing Committee on Defense, Committee on Finance, Consultative Committee on Human Resource Development, Committee on Member of Parliament Local Area Development Schemes, Committee on Public Undertakings, and National Shipping Board. He was unanimously re-elected for the second term for Rajya Sabha in March 2018. Inspired by the dynamic leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, Mr. Ramesh joined the Bharatiya Janata Party. Presently, he is a member of the Standing Committee on Finance, Public Accounts Committee, and Committee on Home Affairs. After joining the BJP, he played a key role in passing various bills related to the Citizenship Amendment Act, Triple Talaq, and Article 370 in Rajya Sabha. Within a very short span of time, he was able to gain the trust and confidence of the senior leaders of the party, such as Shri Amit Shah, Honorable Minister of Home Affairs, and Shri J.P. Nadda, the party president. After being elected as Member of Parliament, Mr. Ramesh thought he needs to develop leadership skills, for which purpose he chose to attend various leadership programs around the globe. These programs helped him to understand what it takes to be a better leader and how he would be able to better serve his constituents. Some of the notable programs he attended were the leadership programs conducted by the Yale University and King's College, London. During the height of COVID-19 pandemic, he actively participated in welfare activities such as supplying essential needs to the poor and needy people across the states of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Keeping in mind the dire situation COVID-19 had created, he made donations to the relief funds of Prime Minister as well as Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. His hope was that this action would bring some relief to the people that were most affected. As a founder of the CMSN Trust, Mr. Ramesh is involved in various CSR activities for the upliftment of economically weaker sections of the society. For example, he was instrumental in 600 houses being constructed for the poor families, in conducting many medical camps for the poor, in creation of sanitation and drinking water infrastructure by the way of setting up of RO plants, and also financially assisted needy students all over the state of Andhra Pradesh to pursue school and college education. Having trotted the globe widely and extensively, he has a deep respect, understanding, and appreciation of culture and heritage. Mr. C.M. Ramesh, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I request the Chancellor and Vice Chancellor, BLD deemed to be university, to confer the degree of Doctor of Literature on Shri C.M. Ramesh on this occasion. On the nomination of the Board of Management and Academic Council, the BLD held on August 26, 2020. Thank you, sir. I request the Honorable Dr. C.M. Ramesh to kindly say a few words. Put your mic on. Sir, we request you to please put your mic on. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So, now it is okay? It's okay? Audible?
Yes, sir. Thank you. We can hear you.
Chancellor Dr. M.B. Patil ji, Chief Guest Professor Nanduri Prabhakar Garu, distinguished guests and students, I would like to take a moment to reflect on the current situation with the COVID-19 and all the lives that have been lost here in India and all around the world. I hope there is a solution coming soon. First of all, allow me to express my deep gratitude for the great honor you have bestowed upon me. I feel privileged and honored to be among us, you all. With a great humanity, I accept the honorary doctorate. This is like a badge of honor to me, and I shall cherish it throughout my life. I stated my humble beginnings. I had big dreams. I was go-getter and hard worker. I would say to my hard work and persistence in one of the main reason of my success. Students, you are the foundation for the successful and promising future. With a great humanity, I accept the honorary doctorate. This is like a badge of honor to me, and I shall cherish it throughout my life. I stated my humble beginnings. I had big dreams. I was go-getter and hard worker. I would say to my hard work and persistence in one of the main reason of my success. Students, you are the foundation for the successful and promising future. I only have one advice for you all. Do what you enjoy. Work hard. And when the tough time comes, never give up. This is my motto. I grow up with, which has helped me to achieve success in my life. I congratulate the BLDU University, one of the most prestigious universities in Karnataka. It has been excellent center, providing our country and the world with the best doctors and professionals. I am happy to see that it was also rated top 10 universities in India. Congrats to the teaching staff and administrators for working hard to achieve the position. I thank from my bottom of my heart the Chancellor, the member of the governing body of the BLD University. I will also thank my family, my friends, my well-wishers for supporting me throughout my journey. And lastly, students, all the best, and I hope you have any amazing future ahead for you. Finally, my slogan, dare to dream, strive to achieve, think big. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your inspirational words. Your absence is greatly felt today.